Hello there, Data Champion. Today, I will be walking you through how to set the auto sell function on your account. We will log in to the Tartle Marketplace. This is the two-factor authorization. I do highly recommend it. Um, I will skip that for now. I will turn it on later. I will go to the Discover tab where I can fill out my data packets. I will be filling out health packet number 9 today. Where is health packet number 9? There it is. Allergies. Do I have allergies? No, I do not. I'm not allergic to anything that I know of. I'm going to put NA. NA. Do not. I do not take allergy medicine. And once we get to the bottom of the packet, we will check the box to automatically sell this packet when there is a bid. I do not wish to donate the proceeds. I wish to have that money uploaded into my PayPal account. I will publish this for buyers to bid on. Click save, and that packet is ready to get me some money. Thank you.